Hi, I'm Ivana. Welcome to Inside JTN Archiving Suite video series. In this video, I'll show you the basics of our C-Core archiving software and go over its main functionalities. When you log into the JTN C-Core software, the first thing you'll see is the simple search functionality. You'll be using it for quick day-to-day searches. You can click the Advanced tab to access Advanced Search, a powerful feature that lets you conduct complex searches using various search criteria and logical operators. With Advanced Search, you'll be able to search through millions of archived emails and get the desired results. If you're working on a complex search that you'd like to rerun later, you can easily save it. Just give it a name and you'll then have it under the Save Searches section. There, you'll see the list of all the searches you've saved together with the search criteria that were used. This is especially useful to compliance officers who often run the same searches periodically. You'll be able to run a saved search directly from this section. In case you forgot to save a search, you can always find it under the Recent Searches section and rerun it from there. The Keywords section is the feature that lets you add words to keyword lists. This is extremely useful for compliance officers if they wish to run the periodical searches to track conversations on a particular topic. This is what an example keyword list looks like. A keyword list typically contains at least several semantically related lexical items. You can use this keyword list in Advanced Search to scan emails for all the keywords that you had specified in the list. JTN C-Core allows users with special permissions to perform audits. The audit feature allows admins and compliance officers to monitor user activities and prevent potential data tampering and accidental or intentional deletion of data. You can check what keywords have been searched, which users looked for what data, whether they attempted to modify certain rules, or whether somebody tried to overstep their authority. From the list of actions, you can easily export the logs to a PDF file to provide as evidence or review the obtained data later. That's it! Now that you've mastered the basic options of the JTN C-Core software, you can follow our blog or visit our support center for more useful articles.